So you want to get a credit card, huh? I see you. Let's talk about how we can get you approved for your next one instantly. In today's video, I'm going to give you my 3-step guides to getting approved for any credit card that you're choosing. Make sure you stick around to the end, because not only am I going to give you your 3-step guide, but I'm also going to tell you a strategy I use to take my credit score from 560 to 721, but absolutely free. Welcome back to High Standard University. My name is Quincy Elder, aka Q2Go, your soon-to-be very smart dumb guy. My mission here is to help you improve your life mentally, physically, and financially. And in this video, that's exactly what I intend to do. So make sure you bust out your nose, grab yourself some water. Let's talk about how we can get you approved for a credit card instantly. Step 1 is to gather your information. I need you to first find and then write down the following information about yourself: your yearly income, your credit score, not Credit Karma, but your FICO score. How many credit cards have you recently got? How many hard inquiries on your credit report? Do you have any collections in your account? What's your credit utilization? How many accounts have you opened recently? And what's your average age of credit? You can find all this information out by visiting websites like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, and AnnualCreditReport.com. These are the only websites that I have personally used when it comes down to getting my credit report. So I'm telling you right now, do not be going out there giving your information out to anybody, because they will sell your information to the dark web. But wait, Quincy, didn't you also say don't write down your Credit Karma score, write down your FICO score? Oh my God, nigga, you are so confusing. First of all, nigga, quit talking like that. Second of all, if you would just sit down and leave a like on this video, I'll be able to get to it. You see what I did there? But seriously, this is a gem I'm finna give you guys, so make sure you write this down for real. I want you to go download the Experian app or go to the website. It really doesn't even matter. Make an account, and with the free version of your account, you should be able to see your FICO score for Experian only. And yeah, this is all cool and all, but we're finna take it to the next level. Experian has a feature where you can see all 3 of your FICO scores from all 3 companies. The problem is though, it's hidden behind a paid subscription. No need to fear though, because when you go to see your scores, you'll be prompted to sign up for the paid subscription. The thing is though, they will give you a free trial of like 14 to 30 days. I can't even remember at the top of my head. Trust me on this. Just give them your credit card information, accept the free trial, and review your 3 scores. Add all 3 of your credit scores up, and then divide by 3, and you'll have your average credit score from all 3 companies. I then want you to go into your account settings and cancel your membership and just move on with your life. You won't need this feature again until you sign up for another credit card. Please let me know in the comment section if this method still works at the time you're watching this video, because Experian might catch wind of this and completely nerf it. Alright, we gathered all our information, we have seen our financial picture. Now it's time to transition to step 2, which is research the market. Now it's time to have fun. If you did step 1 correctly, you should now have a grasp of how your financial situation looks. You might be a 22-year-old making $40,000 a year with a 580 credit score, or you could be a 27-year-old making $20,000 a year with a 720. It really doesn't even matter, because I guarantee you there's a credit card on the market for your situation. By the way, here's a graphic showing the credit score ranges, just in case some of you guys don't know what ranges you fit into. I know this can be an exciting time, because you're basically getting the dopamine hits that you'll get if you're going out shopping. But this is very important. Do not just go pick up the first card that you meet the criteria for. That is how noobs end up with credit cards with $100 annual fees, a $15 application fee, and 30% interest. And trust me, you don't want that shit. Do your research and compare. You can use websites like NerdWallet, Bankrate, YouTube, Google, all of the above. Matter of fact, I don't want any of you guys sign up for a credit card unless you know the following things about the card: its credit score requirement, its minimum credit limit, its annual fee, its fees, its APR, and its cashback rewards. This step right here will keep you away from the predatory credit card companies, and most of all, it will keep money in your pocket. I cannot stress this enough. If you do these 2 steps correctly, the chances of you getting rejected for a card is less than 1%. Be sure to take these 2 steps very seriously in order to get approved for your card instantly. Hey guys, Quincy Elder here. I don't want to take too much of a break from the regular programming, but I do want to tell you guys something that I'm very excited about. Starting this April, I'm going to be doing one-on-one calls with one of you every month to discuss the future of High Standard University. The call will simply consist of questions like, what are we doing good right now, and what can we do to be better? After the questions are answered, I will spend the next 15 minutes answering any question that you have. If any of you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description to fill out a Google form sheet. And at the beginning of each month, I'm going to reach out to you personally to set up a call. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Now let's get back to the video. Step 3 is to acquire your card. Just to recap a little bit, in step 1, we gathered all your financial information and got your financial picture. And in step 2, we researched the market to find the best credit cards that you fit the criteria for. Now it's time to apply. I want you to use the pre-approval tool if the issuer has it. The reason is, if you were to somehow get rejected with a pre-approval application, it will go on your account as a soft pull, which does not affect your credit score. Compare that to a normal credit card application, it would affect your score whether you got accepted or rejected, because it goes on your account as a hard inquiry, which negatively affects your score for some reason. Don't get mad at me, I don't make the rules. If you apply virtually, then you should get your answer whether you were accepted or rejected instantly. But if you are somehow rejected, follow this step and you can get accepted again. I want you to call the credit card issuer and explain to them that you meet the criteria and you're responsible enough to take on their card. Because what happens is all applications are ran through a computer system, and sometimes that computer system gets it wrong. So you want to talk to a real person just to make sure you get accepted, or if you did get declined, it's for a real reason. And I know there's going to be somebody out there saying, Quincy, I don't want to do all that, blah, blah, blah. Look, when you go try to buy your house, or you go try to buy your car, or you go try to find a house to rent, you're going to look at your credit score. And if your credit score is 580, you're going to wish you took that simple phone call to make sure you get this card. So just do it. I promise it's going to work out for you. Congratulations. You have been approved for your credit card using the 3-step framework that I gave you today. And if this framework helped you at all, make sure you subscribe for more content on Wednesdays and Fridays. And as I promised, I'm going to tell you now how I took my credit score from 560 to 721, all for free in as little as 8 months. So when I was getting started, I had no credit history. So I had to get a secured credit card in exchange. What that was, I gave the bank a security deposit and they gave me a credit card with that exact security deposit as a credit limit. I then proceeded to use the one bill method. What that was is I took one bill in my regular everyday life that I was already paying. I just put it on a credit card and paid it off every month. That bill for me was my phone bill, but you can use any bill that you already pay regardless, like your Netflix bill, your Dash Pass, anything like that. I did this for around 6 months. My credit score skyrocketed, and then the bank gave me my security deposit back and a higher credit limit because I showed them I was responsible with credit. And that's what it really boils down to. I practice good credit card habits like paying my balance off in full every month. If you're watching this, please do not carry a balance on your credit card. Please, ever. I didn't use the card as an emergency fund. I didn't use it for extra cash. I simply just used it as a tool to rebuild my credit and earn cash back. Now, if you guys want to follow me on social media, I'll leave all the links down below in the description. I appreciate everybody came and stuck to me, and I'm gone.